In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to lock your Apple ID account access. If you head to Settings, you will notice that you can't access my Apple ID account. This means you can't see my personal information such as my iCloud. You can't change my name, password, or attempt to log out my iCloud from my device in case you have access to my password. To enable this layer of security, on your Settings page, head to Screen Time. You will then select on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Navigate to the last section. On this option of Account Changes, tap on Don't Allow. This is so easy, and in case you want to access your account, you just tap on Allow. If I get back to my Settings page, you will notice that I can now access my account settings. That's how easy it is to add any extra layer of security to your Apple ID account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.